Hours of operation. If you want pasta, you can get some from there. Let's see, there's more. So the middle area has all the sandwiches. Over there has cheese. There's salami, I believe. I think down here looks like they have gelatos.
Gelato?
Yeah. Yeah, let's take a look over there.
I see cream puff.
Oh yeah. We got tiramisu up there.
Oh my god.
Hi. You can also get your coffee right here. You can see New York, New York from here. And then over there they have a wine section. So from Il Frito, the sandwich shop in the middle, in middle Italy, I got I don't even know how to pronounce it correctly. Prosciutto cotta for $14. All right, let's see how it tastes.
Wow. That's good.
Yeah. That's a good sandwich. So we just finished our sandwich. My wife said sandwich was good. So maybe it's worth it. You liked it too? Okay.
5 star.
5 star? Oh my god. 5 out of 5? Okay. And you like? Oh, okay. And then you said decoration here is good too, right? The environment. This is the shop that we got the sandwich from. That was pretty good.
Actually, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Okay. Wow. Okay.
In the middle.
You're more of a critic than Amajad. Okay, so our food just came out. I got the animal style cheeseburger, and then regular cheeseburger with the grilled onion, and then regular hamburger with the grilled onion, and of course I got the animal style fries. If you guys ever come to California if you like hamburger, you gotta try In-N-Out cheeseburger or double animal style. Man, so good. And animal style fries. Some fries, cheese, and special sauce on top. Whoa! Here, take a bite. Take a bite. Oh my god, you put ketchup on there too? How is it? So the nice lady just employee that works here just came stop by and gave us a free hat. And turn to the side. Turn to the side. Now we can work here. And then she gave my kids some stickers too. Oh, very nice. Very friendly in and out. So this is how the hat looks like. Made out of paper, and you can actually pull out inside here. Okay, right here. You can pull it out to make it fit your head. Really cool. And this is the sticker my son got. Very cute.